Stunning footage captures the devastation of wildfires in Los Angeles and California. Recent aerial and ground footage reveals the extensive destruction caused by wildfires sweeping through Los Angeles and California. The videos show vast landscapes engulfed in flames, charred homes, and thick plumes of smoke rising into the sky. Emergency responders are seen battling the blazes as residents evacuate their neighborhoods. The impact on wildlife and the environment is also evident, highlighting the urgent need for fire management and prevention efforts.
The economic toll of these wildfires is staggering, with estimates suggesting losses could reach between $52 billion and $150 billion. Potentially making it one of the costliest natural disasters in U.S. history. Analysts warn that if the fires continue to spread into densely populated areas, these figures may rise significantly.